In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the news streamer, a tool that allows you to get the news before other traders. You want to be there first, maximize your potential to make profits. Hey everyone, lead trainer with StocksToTrade, Tim Bohen here. Going to talk to you about our real-time rapid-fire news streamer, one of the best tools in StocksToTrade. So this is a real-time, constantly updating feed of every news article in the markets. You know, a lot of markets or a lot of stocks in trading, they move based on press releases, articles, contract announcements, SEC filings, all of these pieces of information that are constantly hitting traders' desks every minute of every day. Now, how do you maximize your potential to target these and trade these stocks? You get there first. We have the tools to get you there. Every second is a new article coming in. Well, not every second, but almost every second. That gives you the potential to spot a ticker that has a good headline, that's in a hot sector, that has the potential to run on the day. Now, the great thing about what we have with StocksToTrade that many news platforms don't have, I mean, you can get news in all kinds of websites, all different platforms, but it can be information overload. I joked and said, an article every second. Well, think about that. If that was right, if there's an article coming in every second, how do you manage that information? It's overwhelming. You as one person, a sole trader, can't manage that, can't parse that information. And a lot of this stuff doesn't necessarily move the stock. So what we have is the ability to filter that news stream and isolate the stocks that are in your sector, that are in your price range, that have your technical indicators or your price action. So for me, as primarily a momentum, low price stock trader, I don't care if a $200 stock has news because quite frequently a $200 stock doesn't react exponentially to news. They don't have the parabolic news. Now, a $2 stock with news has the potential to make big moves. So now I can filter for that 2 to 10 range, and what I actually do is I have several brackets. I look for 2 to 10, I look for 10 to 20, and then I look for 20 and above, and I have all of these streamers running simultaneously in my StocksToTrade. Then, and this is the tip that you should write down and be sure you're using right now, filter by percent gain, because I don't care if a $2 stock has news unless it's moving and has volume. So that's a great way to reduce that fire hose down and get you in front of the other traders. Remember, if you're there first, you're going to maximize your potential for success, your potential to be profitable. You want to be there first before the other guy and beat the other guy. The market's a zero-sum game. One trader doesn't care about the other trader. We're all here to make money, and if you've got the tools to be there first, that's what the news streamer can bring to you. So be sure to use the news streamer. Be sure to filter, break it down. Don't try and track every piece of news. Don't try and figure out whether or not it's tradable. Focus on your sector, your price range, and big percent movers. And if you're using the news streamer, be sure to comment below and let me know if it's helped you. And as always, be sure to subscribe, like the video, and we'll see you next time. Hey everyone, lead trainer with StocksToTrade, Tim Bohen here. We'd like to thank you for watching our videos. We really want to help you learn, grow, and evolve and become a consistently profitable trader. We're proud of the tools we built in StocksToTrade and want to help you maximize your success. Be sure to check out the other videos over there, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.